Hi guys, welcome back to my mathematics tutorial. My name is Peter C. Dopper Jr., your math tutor, and I am an instructor of mathematics at the University of Liberia. In today's lesson, we want to continue with finding derivatives of trigonometric inverse functions using trig substitution method. So, in the previous lessons, the last 3 lessons, we discussed how we can find the derivative of trigonometric inverse function using trig substitution method, and we solved 3 problems. So we want to solve the 4th problem, which is also question 24 under trig inverse function in general. So the question says y equals the cos inverse of 2x squared minus 1. How can we find the derivative of this using trig inverse function? Now, our target is to ensure that what is within here is rewritten in terms of cos. So we must find a substitution for x such that if we replace x with that trig function, this entire expression will lead us to cos. So we know that cos of 2 theta is equals to 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Because we also know that cos of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So we can use this one for this problem. So now, and remember that this came from the double angle identity for cos, which was cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. So if we replace this with 1 minus sine squared theta, the Pythagorean identity, this will give us the second one, which is 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. If we replace the second with 1 minus cos squared theta, so this negative and this negative will be positive, so this will give us 2 cos squared theta. So now, since we know that the substitution for x must be theta, we can now say let x equals to cos of theta. So if the substitution of x is cos of theta, we need to find what is cos of what is theta, this theta, because we have to use it at the end. So cos of theta, to find cos of theta, we take cos inverse on both sides of the equation. So cos inverse of cos of theta. So cos inverse of x is equals to theta. Now go to the substitution, y equals to cos inverse of 2. That x now is cos squared theta minus 1. And we know that this expression is just cos of 2 theta. So cos inverse of cos of 2 theta is just 2 theta. What is theta? Theta is cos inverse of x. So y prime now becomes 2, negative 2 all over the root of 1 minus s squared. So this is how we find the derivative of trigonometric inverse function using substitution method. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in our next lesson. Thank you.